In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily view two Excel sheets side by side, an essential skill for those who often deal with multiple data sets simultaneously and wish to compare or analyze them efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First up, you will want to begin by opening the two Excel sheet files you plan to compare. Make sure both files are accessible and that you've got them both loaded up. You can do this by simply double-clicking each file if they're on your desktop, or navigating to the location they're stored, whether that's in your documents, a shared drive, or maybe even in an email attachment you've just downloaded. Once you have them open, it's important to note that at this point, they may be stacked on top of each other in your window, making it a bit tricky to switch back and forth. This is where the side-by-side view comes into play. Now let's move on to the next important step. Take your cursor and point it towards the Minimize button. This is located at the upper right corner of your screen, right next to the Close button. Clicking this allows you to access multiple viewing options for your windows. Among these, you'll see an option specifically for side-by-side viewing. This feature is incredibly helpful and often overlooked, but it's designed exactly for situations like this where you need to see and compare information simultaneously. Once you click this option, you'll notice both Excel files arrange themselves side by side on your screen, giving you an immediate panoramic view of your worksheets as you work through them. At this point, you'll find that navigating between the sheets becomes more intuitive. You can scroll, edit, or input data on either sheet without losing sight of the other. Plus, this setup is particularly advantageous if you're pulling data from one sheet to enter into another, checking figures, or even just reviewing two sets of reports. Remember, you can manually adjust the window sizes if you need more room for one sheet over the other. Simply click and drag the borders of each window until you have your desired view. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently enhance your workflow in Excel whenever you need to handle more than one document at a time. This side-by-side method not only saves you time, but also adds more convenience to your day-to-day data handling tasks. If you find this tip useful, don't hesitate to incorporate it into your routine. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Thank you for tuning in and happy excelling.